He's the captain, the guardian of all things gear. On this episode of the Treehouse, we'll see if Brian Farrell plays well outside of his cage. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome to our first episode of our brand new show, The Treehouse. It's the show with fun games, fun guests, and fun consequences. So today, I'm joined by Brian Farrell, the Equipment Center Supervisor here at Huntington University. And welcome also David Dowling, my co-host and celebrity coach for Brian for what we are playing today, which is Wii Bowling. All right, give me my saber.
Thank you. Make sure you
So thank you for coming on the show, Brian.
Oh, thank you for having me. Always a pleasure being here for the first episode.
Yeah. This is this brand new format. We're going to be playing games and having fun, but also still asking questions. So first off, have you ever played Wii Bowling before?
Oh, yeah. Big Wii bowling guy.
Yeah? Okay.
When we first got a Wii back in the day, this is the only game I had for 2 years, so
Yeah.
big pro.
It's a classic for sure.
Ready to come back.
That means I don't have to take it easy on you, right?
No, please, don't take it easy, but sitting down, this is going to be...
Ooh.
Now
I
I
you
don't.
seem intimidated.
Here's a reason that I don't want to take it easy on you as well, and that's because whoever loses is going to have to take a dosage of hot sauce, really spicy hot sauce, at the end of this, while trying to outro this video. So yeah, there's a lot on the line.
Yeah, there's a lot. And
It's habanero.
I'm not used to sitting while playing, but we'll get it.
Hey, don't worry, I am. So if you have any questions,
All right, we can get the spare. We can catch it up.
Yeah.
7 pins. Not bad.
I'm definitely not nervous. if I lose.
So you're the coach? You're my coach?
Yes, I am.
All right,
Yeah,
where-
he's supposed to give you
Where am I
advice.
going? Where am I going?
But I thought you knew how to
it's
play
a
this game.
little
I'm
bit
gonna-
more to the right. It seemed to curve a lot more than
Yeah,
you
yeah,
thought
yeah.
it did.
It's the
So-
Wii. I mean, it's
Do you need me to move? I can move
No.
myself.
I think I
in
got it
case
right here. This
unless
is it.
you like.
We're picking up this spare.
Oh, money,
What are you going to do?
okay.
What are you going to do?
All right.
cash.
So, Brian, what got you interested in film and brought you here to Huntington?
Okay, so that's actually a really great question. It's kind of
Is it?
cliche. My mom, she was always into, and still is, she's very into cinematography and videography and photography. And I grew up a lot with that stuff around me. So it just kind of stuck. And it wasn't like I always wanted to do it. It was the classic,
What you stopping for? Keep
no
going.
reason. I didn't want to do it because my mom was doing it, kind of thing. But then it really stuck when I was in high school, of like working on all these projects, and she definitely inspired me to pick this career path.
That's awesome. So I just got a spare. All right. So
All right,
you got to
so-
get a strike in order to catch up.
Easy peasy. We'll go a little to the right. All right, so this is. Where's this? I don't even know how this is working. Technology.
Yeah, dude, it's
Are you
amazing
looking for the
stuff.
sensor? It's on top of this monitor up here.
Oh, it is up there. Okay.
Yeah.
Don't you worry.
The tech of the Wii, honestly, I mean, incredible.
Ahead of
was-
its time, if you ask me.
Oh yeah.
Oh. All right. No thing.
Pressure's on.
All right, Captain.
Pressure's on.
Speaking of which, I like your hat.
Oh, thank you. Thought I'd wear it for the pilot. Thought it would be all relevant. Thought it would come full circle.
Yeah, I think it'll bring in all the viewers.
Where can I get one of those?
I don't actually know. This was a gift. It was given to me.
It seems very fitting.
You could probably get it off Amazon.
Fair.
Oh, you got to split. What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna ask you another question, actually.
Okay.
So, Brian, I want to know what is the weirdest thing someone's ever tried to check out of the cage?
All right, so I've been thinking about this. It's actually really recently. Freshman came in about a week ago. Ooh, close. Freshman came in about a week ago, and he literally came and squared up. He was like, "What's the spookiest thing you got in here?" And I was like, what? I was like, "Our props loft is upstairs, sir. If you need anything."
I mean, you could have just said, "I'm right here."
Ooh, that was That was rough.
Yeah, we're both having a hard time.
I'm gonna get that.
It's good. Tension.
Gonna be getting that salsa, but we can turn around. But
Salsa.
he came in. Isn't it salsa?
It's pure hot sauce, my friend.
All right.
You might be
I don't
figuring
know
out
what
exactly what it
happened
is.
there. I don't know what
sitting
happened
here.
there.
I'll find out soon.
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and do one more round of turns and determine who wins this. But yeah, continue.
But
Another split.
he wanted. I got this green pumpkin. I don't know if you've ever been in the cage, but we have this little green pumpkin that I like to fill with candy after we get enough money donated. And he wanted to check that out badly. And it was so bad, he actually got his lawyer on the phone. It was a whole
What
thing.
in the world?
It was just
this
too
guy's
much.
still here?
Oh, he's still here. He's
Oh,
still,
nice. You'll have to tell me who it
going
is after the
around.
show.
But it was a very weird request. Very weird. It got wild quickly.
Nice. All right, so 56 is the number to beat. I don't know if you can do it. I missed the score.
Well, he's.
I just
currently
don't
at
think that's
33.
physically possible.
Listen, if you believe hard enough. Money.
Okay.
Man,
okay.
it's looking like Brian's going to have to be the one to take it in after the show. I'm definitely really happy. I don't know about you, Brian. But, hey, you got a spit, okay?
Hey.
This is good. It's good.
You know, we'll take it. We'll take
We'll
it.
take it.
All right, so join us after the break. Brian is going to be taking a taste of some habanero hot sauce. So stay tuned.
Hi, my name is Brian Farrell, as you can see by my lovely name tag, and I am the Equipment Center Supervisor here at Huntington University in the DMA department for the film program. In here, you can see we have a wide variety of equipment such as cameras, audio equipment, lights, grip and electric. We're mostly a Panasonic house with GH4s and 5s, and our cinema camera, EVA 1 and a Red Scarlet and a Red Epic to boot. Starting your freshman year, you're allowed to check out almost everything in this equipment center except for our 2 Reds. You have to be certified to use those, and our EVA, you also have to be certified for that as well. The only thing as a freshman that you have to test out on is our Gemini light kits, which is a very quick and painless process to go over. So again, this is your #1 stop shop as a student for all your equipment needs, so please feel free to come in at any time with any questions that you might have. We try to keep it light, try to keep it fun here for everyone involved. So again, my name is Brian, and I hope to see you soon.
Welcome back to the Treehouse. It's the moment we've all been waiting for. I know I've been waiting for it. But Brian is going to attempt to devour this habanero hot sauce while he takes us through his hair care routine.
Oh, hair care. Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
I'll let you. You want me to feed it to you?
I'm just gonna.
You just
whole
wanna take it in
spoonful.
yourself?
I'll
Okay.
take the whole spoonful.
The
and then
whole
I'll
thing.
explain-
Okay,
I'll
all right.
explain it.
I know it smells good, man. If you can't take it, we've got a lot of first aid offset here.
So, my routine is, I wake up. That's it. That is it. That is the secret. There's nothing to it.
I refuse.
I
to
will.
believe
Okay, I'll
that.
let everyone in on this one. This is huge. MLG, Major League Gaming secret that not a lot of people know about. They got this thing called shampoo.
Really?
Yeah, if you use that, it actually like cleans your hair.
Wow. Okay.
You don't want to use it every day though. You don't want to use it every day.
Right. No.
Dang. All right.
So
Yeah.
is that
It's
pretty
getting there.
special?
It's getting there. But yeah, the thing with shampoo is every other day, condition once a week. That's what I do. That's actually my routine. It's not that bad. This isn't too bad.
Yeah, okay. How would you rate the sauce? Is it like?
Honestly, it's kind of weak. I requested spicy
Oh
sauce.
shoot. Okay. All right. A challenge.
How about
Well.
another bite?
I could do it.
Hey, take one
You
more.
wanna
We
take
got it.
another
We
bite?
got a
I
second
think
here.
you should
Another
take
one?
another bite.
All right.
We could all take a bite with you.
Oh, you want to?
Are you drinking out of it?
Oh my
No, I was told not to
goodness.
do that specifically.
Just a little
How
sip.
did you?
Yeah. Something like that. Let's do that. That's good. That's good.
Yeah, just like that.
One more for the win.
One
You
more
know,
for the-
I'll
for
let
the-
you win the. We'll say you won the game now.
Who's the
Honestly.
real?
All right. Well,
Well, thank you again for having me. I always appreciate it.
of course. Thank you all for watching this episode of the Treehouse, and thank you, Brian, again for coming on the show.
I always appreciate it.
Make sure that you come say hi to Brian at the Cage. Place to go for all your camera, audio, grip, and electric needs. I'll see you next time. Well, not me, a different host, but on the Treehouse.
So what'd you think?
Not too bad.